Right, we can start the Omkar chanting. You have a few minutes. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's keep the eyes closed, join the hands at back of the body. Go down to the Mother Supreme Earth, raise both hands up toward the ceiling, push the head further down. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Generate urja, make them warm. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark under the palms. Slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. And let's do light exercise, Sukshma Vyayam for the lower back and waist. Bring both hands onto the knees. We will do 360-degree rotation at the waist. Deep inhale, deep exhale, and bend down. Try to bend from the lower back. Turn the upper body into circular fashion towards one side. Inhale, come back up towards the other side. Exhale, bend down. Try to make the biggest circle possible. Turn the head into the direction of the circle. You can close the eyes and keep the awareness at the waist and lower back area. About 4 circles in one direction, then 4 circles in reverse. Okay, once you complete 4 and 4, relax, normal breath in and out couple of times. Next, inhale, raise both hands up, stretch the upper body up. Exhale, twist the upper body to the one side. Look back, align chin with the shoulder, creating the spring action. Keep pushing the knee forward. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Try to keep trunk vertical, back straight. Feel the full twist. Inhale, back to center. And we'll do one more time, both the sides. Try to stay in pose, 2 more seconds. And inhale, come back and complete onto the second side. Come back and let's stand up. Separate feet about 2 to 3 feet apart. Bring both hands at the waist. We will do 360-degree rotation at the waist, keeping head, neck, trunk in one line. And we are circling at the waist. Try to make the full circles, starting from the slower circles to bigger, and reaching to the maximum that our side way allows. Also pushing the upper body towards back as well, so it will be completely perfect circle. Keep the awareness around the waist and lower back. Slow down. Smaller and smaller circles gradually, and then come to a complete stop. And we will do into reverse direction, starting with the smaller circles. Bigger and bigger circles. And reaching to the maximum that the side way allows. And slow down. Smaller gradually. Okay. And come to a full stop. Now separate the feet at the farthest. Extend both hands sideways. Deep inhale, As we exhale, just bend sideways, trying to get into Trikonasana. One hand go up into the ceiling, one go to the ground. Look up through the palm. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Come back and bring both hands at the lower back, thumbs on a sacrum. Deep inhale, arch backward. Look into the back wall. Exhale, come back, straighten the trunk. Inhale again. Exhale, bend forward and down. Push the head as low as possible, keeping the knees straight. Inhale, come back up. And let's move in front of the mat. Stay a little bit away from the front edge. Start the music, mantra, let's follow the beats. Roll the shoulders back and down, and let's begin.
ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. Let's shake up the feet, thighs, hands, legs throughout the body. Increase more activities within the body. More heartbeat, more pulse, more blood circulations. and add some twistings. And lay down in Shavasana. Complete relax, full rest. Let all the body parts, muscles, joints be on their own on the gravity. Close the eyes. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out few times. Then let the breath become natural, normal. Feel the entire body. Feel the body weight. And notice how our body weight transfers to the floor. Let's scan the body internally to see how we feel within. Slowly to keep our mind into present moment. So moving the awareness, body part by body part from head to toes, toes to the head. At each part, try to acknowledge any kind of relaxation, any sensation, heartbeat, pulse, blood circulations, vibrations, whatever we can feel that specific body part, we just feel it and keep moving, making the round trip in 3 minutes, starting now. Ten seconds to bring the awareness back to the head area if you haven't yet already. Bring feet together, wiggle the toes, squeeze and release them. Move them onto side by side. Turn the head also onto both the sides couple of times. and give body a big stretch. Yastikasana, stick pose, full stretch. Push the toes into one direction, hands into opposite direction. Feel the full stretch, stretch, and relax. Bring both hands sideways, palms facing down. Fold at the knees, so heels at the hips. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Drop both folded knees together on the floor towards left. Turn the head towards right. Push the palms into the floor and feel very good twist at the spine. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Knees towards right, head towards left. Do everything with closed eyes. Inhale, back to center. Now lift the feet a little bit up. Exhale, drop the folded legs towards left. Turn the head towards right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, folded legs towards right, head towards left. Hold the pose for a few seconds. And entire body turn towards right. Stay on right. Normal breath in and out couple of times. And keeping the eyes closed, gently bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. Let's do Anulom Vilom Pranayam for a minute. Bring the right hand into Vishnu Mudra. Bring first two fingertips into root of thumb. So we can use right thumb tip and right ring fingertip to unblock the nostrils. So we'll inhale on left, exhale on right, and then inhale on right and exhale on left. So left to right to left, alternate breathing. Then complete the round when we breathe out on left. And breathe in and out normal. Bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Keep the back straight. Relax shoulders. Deep inhale and we will chant one long Omkar and feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Apply a little bit more pressure on the palms. You can generate more urja, make them more warm. Cover the eyes and face under the warm hands and move the palms over the eyes. Massage the eyelids gently. Make the cup of the palms over the eyes and blink the eyes few times in dark. Spread the fingers apart, slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, and you can cover like any of the problem area a little bit more to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Happy Friday, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, finally. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'm going to let you all unmute and say hi and bye, and back to work. Have a wonderful weekend. See you all tomorrow at yoga.
Thank you, Bye, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you.
Morning,
Jai Shri
everyone.
Krishna bhadaine.
Morning.
Thank you. Bye.
Across the board, everybody to everybody.
Have a wonderful weekend coming.
Yes.
Nice and warm. Thanks.
We hope. All right.